Have you ever noticed that little plant with tiny purple flowers popping up in early spring? The one that carpets fields and backyards like a purple blanket. That's henbit, and even though most people see it as a weed, it has a long history in traditional herbal use. Henbit has soft, fuzzy leaves on a square stem, and when you take a closer look, it's actually a beautiful little plant. People have used it for generations, not as medicine in the modern sense, but as a gentle herb that brings a bit of comfort. Many people like to make a simple cup of henbit tea. The flavor is light and slightly sweet, and some say it helps them feel more relaxed during stressful moments. It's not something that treats or cures anything, just a calming drink people enjoy in traditional practice. The young leaves are also edible. You can add them to salads or mix them into a light soup. They offer small amounts of vitamins and minerals, making henbit a nice little wild green when you want something fresh. In some traditions, people use it after heavy meals to feel a bit more settled. A warm cup of henbit tea can feel soothing, especially when you're trying to unwind. Again, it's gentle, nothing strong or medicinal. Some folks also enjoy henbit during seasonal changes, especially in early spring, when the plant is fresh and at its best. It's a way to connect with nature while giving your body a mild herbal boost. Of course, herbs are not replacements for medical care. Everyone reacts differently, so if you have allergies or health concerns, it's always a good idea to talk to a health professional first. Henbit is a reminder that the plants we overlook often have rich stories. Next time you see those tiny purple flowers, take a closer look. You might be walking past one of nature's quiet little helpers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy discovering hidden plants like this, don't forget to subscribe and tell me which one you want next.